Good morning, students. I have already discussed in my previous video lecture the preparation of haloalkane from saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the another methods of preparation of haloalkane, and that another method is your halogen exchange reaction, or you can say the process known as your halogen exchange. So let us write or let us see what is halogen exchange. Alkyl iodides can be prepared from alkyl chlorides or bromides, alkyl chlorides or bromide. Alkyl iodides can be prepared from alkyl chlorides or bromides by treating them. They means that is your alkyl chloride or bromide with sodium iodide in dry acetone. Means if we consider RCl, that is your alkyl chloride, you know R is your alkyl group. इस RCl में R आपका alkyl group है. So this RCl, when it reacts with your sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, then NaCl will be removed. NaCl remove हो जाएगा and the product is your Ri. This Ri is known as your iodoalkane. For example, if this R is your ethyl, means it is your ethyl chloride, and then the product form is your ethyl iodide. Similarly, if we consider alkyl bromide as RBr, मान लीजिए आप RCl के बदले RBr लेते हो and then you treat it with sodium iodide in the presence of acetone, तो यहाँ से आपका NaBr remove हो जाएगा and then again there will be formation of iodoalkane. So if you take ethyl bromide, you will get ethyl iodide. If you take ethyl chloride, then you will get ethyl iodide. Now in this reaction, you just observe the side products are sodium chloride and sodium bromide. You know sodium chloride and sodium bromide, they are ionic compound, and that's why they are less soluble in acetone. ये जो साइड प्रोडक्ट आपका सोडियम क्लोराइड और सोडियम ब्रोमाइड बनता है, it is an ionic compound, so they are less soluble in acetone. They do not dissolve in acetone, and it will precipitate out and can be filtered. Therefore, the formation of iodoalkane becomes easier. Means we can obtain iodoalkane very easily from alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide. Now this reaction is known as your Finkelstein reaction. This reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Now the opposite process is not true. The removal of sodium chloride and the removal of sodium bromide as they are less soluble in acetone, will favor the forward reaction. Backward reaction is not possible in this case. कहने का मतलब अगर हम अल्काइल आयोडाइड लें और उसको यदि आप NaCl या NaBr से रिएक्ट कराएं तो क्लोरो और ब्रोमो अल्केन यील्ड नहीं देगा. So only iodoalkane can be prepared by this process, or we can say this is the best method for the preparation of iodoalkane. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये आयोडोअल्केन बनाने का सबसे बेटर मेथड है. Now let us consider that how we can prepare fluoroalkane. Now fluoroalkane is prepared by a reaction, a method known as your Schwarz reaction, or we can say Schwarz synthesis. So what is this Schwarz synthesis? When alkyl chloride or bromide reacts with metallic fluoride, such as AgF. AgF means silver fluoride, COF3 that is cobalt fluoride, and SbF3 antimony fluoride, and Hg2F2 that is your mercurous fluoride. So whether you say any metallic fluoride such as silver fluoride, antimony fluoride, mercurous fluoride or cobalt fluoride, then they form or then they give fluoroalkane. Then the product will be your fluoroalkanes. For example, if we write RCl, say let us suppose if this R is your methyl. So if this R is your methyl, say methyl chloride, if it react with silver fluoride, then your silver chloride will precipitate out and we get methyl fluoride, that is your fluoroalkane. So this reaction is known as your Schwarz reaction, or you can say Schwarz synthesis. तो ये जो हमारा रिएक्शन है इसको हम लोग Schwarz रिएक्शन और Schwarz synthesis कहेंगे. So by this reaction we can prepare fluoroalkane. Now the question is, one more reaction is there which is the best method for the preparation of your bromoalkane. Although it is not given in your NCERT textbook, but it is very important reaction for other examinations. The reaction is Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction. Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction, or you can say Borodin-Hunsdiecker process. ये जो रिएक्शन है ये ब्रोमो अल्केन बनाने का सबसे बेस्ट रिएक्शन माना जाता है. In this reaction, when silver salt of carboxylic acid. When silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with bromine in the presence of a less polar solvent, such as your carbon tetrachloride, then bromoalkane is formed. You know carboxylic acid, the formula is RCOOH. तो ये आपका कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है. इसमें अगर आप इस हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर दें सिल्वर के साथ, देन इट इज योर सिल्वर साल्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. देन दिस इज योर silver salt of carboxylic acid. So if you treat it with bromine in the presence of your less polar solvent such as carbon tetrachloride, then the product will be your RBr plus precipitate AgBr and your carbon dioxide. सवाल उठता है कि ये क्यों बेस्ट मेथड ब्रोमो अल्केन के प्रिपरेशन के लिए है. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द साइड प्रोडक्ट, दिस सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड प्रेसिपिटेट आउट, ये प्रेसिपिटेट बन के आप इसको फिल्टर करके हटा लेंगे. एंड दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म, ये गैस है, ये एस्केप कर जाएगा. देन व्हाट इज द मेन प्रोडक्ट विच इज लेफ्ट ओवर? वो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है जो बच गया? दैट इज योर RBr. RBr मीन्स योर ब्रोमो अल्केन. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ योर ब्रोमो अल्केन. नाउ इफ वी यूज क्लोरीन इन प्लेस ऑफ bromine, then no doubt chloroalkane will be formed, but your yield will be poor, or you can say the yield will be low. अगर आप ब्रोमीन के बदले क्लोरीन यूज करोगे तो क्लोरोअल्केन बनेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट द yield is low. However, if we use iodine, let us suppose if we use iodine in place of your bromine, then there will not be formation of your iodoalkane, but the product form is perhaps your ester. In that case, the product form is your ester. And AgI. This AgI will form your precipitate and carbon dioxide. So in this case, the product is not your iodoalkane, but this product is your ester. Now, it is not Borodin-Hunsdiecker. Now, this reaction is referred as your Birnbaum-Simonini reaction. This is your Birnbaum-Simonini reaction. तो बर्नबाउम-सिमोनेरी रिएक्शन कब होगा? जब आप आयोडीन से इसको रिएक्ट कराते हो विथ कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड, देन इट विल गिव यू ester and precipitate of your silver iodide along with carbon dioxide. लेकिन अगर इस आयोडीन के बदले अगर आप ब्रोमीन लेते हो, जो पहले हमने दिखा दिया, then the product will be your bromoalkane, or you can say alkyl bromide, and then the reaction is known as your Borodin-Hunsdiecker reaction. I hope you must have understand the formation of or preparation of haloalkane by your halogen exchange or by, you can say, Finkel steel, by Schwarz process and by Borodin-Hansliker process. In my next video lecture, I will discuss the preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. Thank you.